Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. The diagram shows a right-angled triangle ABC placed in the parabola y equals to x multiplied by 4 minus x with the base BC parallel to the x-axis. The side AB lies along the line x equals to number 2 with the vertex A of the triangle at the point number 2, 0. The point C is on the parabola. The area of triangle ABC will have different values depending on the position of B. They want to find the maximum area in here. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have the diagram. If we want to find the area of triangle, we know that this is about the base. This is about the height. The area of triangle, that should be about the base multiplied by the height over number 2. Now, we know that the height based on the value of y. The base will based on the value of x. But we know that they just start from B to C. So, when the value of C go in this point here, they will have the shadow go to x-axis. So I will put like this. Now, because this is about parallel in here, so let's say I will put about C dash in here. So we see that they just start from number 2 to this location in here. That means we will put about x is greater than or equal to number 2 in here. Or about the height, that is about this value in here. Because this line in here is parallel to BA. So the height that is equals to x multiplied by 4 minus x. About the base, that is about x minus number 2. For example, we have the value of C in here. If we want to find BC, we just use the location of C minus number 2. That's why we have the base in here. And here is about the height. Now we put x minus 2, x and 4 minus x go to this formula in here. And now we put about the function f of x equals to x minus number 2 multiplied by x with 4 minus x over number 2. And now we need to expand so x multiplied by 4x and x squared and negative 8x plus 2x squared. So for x squared plus 2x squared, we have 6x squared minus x to the power of 3 minus 8x. Next, we need to do first the derivative of the function because we want to find the critical point to find the maximum area of triangle. So first the derivative of x squared, we have 2x. First the derivative of x to the power of 3, we have negative 3x squared. This one we have number 1. And now we need to do first the derivative of the function equals to number 0. So we put this one equals to number 0. So we have 12x minus 3x squared minus number 8 equals to number 0. And now we have the solutions of this one. That is about x equals to 6 plus 2 with the square root of number 3 over 3. And the second one, that is about s equals to 6 minus number 2 with the square root of number 3 over 3. Because the condition we mentioned in here, s is greater than or equals to number 2. So we just accept about this one in here. Now, after we got this value in here, we can put this one, go back to this function. And we have 8 with the square root of number 3 over 9. And here is about the maximum value of the area we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.